Good morning, dear student. Dear student, your second chapter, computer hardware, is complete. Only left the question answer. Okay. So today we will do the question answer, and you understand well about the chapter computer hardware. So you read in this chapter what is hardware and what is the input device and what is the processing unit and what is the output device and what is the storage device. Okay, so in this chapter only 5 points related to the hardware. Okay, and some example of the input device and some example of processing unit and some example of output device and some example of storage devices. Okay, so complete your chapter. So today we will doing the question answer. Okay student, you are ready? Yes. So your first question A, answer the following question. Your first answer, I will write only answer student. Okay, yes. First question, what do you mean by hardware? So you write in this line all the physical parts that we can touch and see are called hardware. Okay student, what is the means of hardware? So hardware, all the physical parts that we can touch and see are called hardware. Okay student. So second question, so this answer you fill in this line. Okay, yes, in your book. What are input device? So the devices used to input data are called input devices. Okay, that is the second answer. What are input device? So that answer you fill in this line. Okay, and name different input devices. So your answer, keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, light pen, etc. are the different input devices. Okay student. Okay, this is an example of input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, light pen, etc. are the different input devices. And your fourth question is, what is a system unit? Name the hardware component that a system unit consists of. Okay, so what is a system unit? So write the answer. System unit. To that answer, the unit that is used to process the data is called processing unit, and the processing unit of computer is called system unit. Okay, the unit that is used to process the data is called processing unit, and the processing unit of computer is called system. Okay, system unit. Yes, and name the hardware component that the system unit consists of. So that CPU, okay, full stop. After you will write CPU, mother board, okay, RAM, okay, this is consist of system unit. Okay, student? Yes. So that your next question is, what are output device? Fifth question, what are output device? So write it. The devices that are used to give output are called output devices. Okay, and name the different output device. So that in next line, monitor, printer, and speaker are the different output device. Okay. And your last question, name the different storage devices. So that's name the different storage devices. The hard disk, floppy disk, and compact disk, that is CD, and pen drive. Are the different storage devices. Okay, student. So your A section is complete. Okay. Yes. So that fifth question answer, and this six. So 6 question, 2 line, fill into that graph. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So yes, you that answer right will be here. Okay, and that answer is in 5th line. Okay, so that's complete your section A. So this is very important section because this is a question answer. Okay, yes. So and left your true false and who am I, and next puzzle time. Okay, student. So please write the question answer in the book and learn also. Okay, student. Yes. So do the homework, and next time we will the next question answer. Okay, student. Have a good day.